Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable background picture on the home screen on Microsoft Edge. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Now from here, if I hide my newsfeed, just click here and then disable it, and you can see there is no background on the Edge home screen, and you can see it's fully black. If you want to enable your background image or add any image on the background, just click on this gear up icon at the corner, which is page settings option. From here, scroll down and here you can find background option. You can see it's disabled. You have to just enable it from here. So just click here and that's it. You can see background has been enabled successfully. If you want to change your background picture, just click on edit background and from here choose any picture as you like. If I select it and then close the window from here, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can enable background picture on the home screen on Microsoft Edge. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.